Hi, I'm Kelly O'Donovan and welcome to your first GOSUB tutorial. The objective of this tutorial is to learn how to set your project settings. Let's go. Once you have logged into the toolkit with your credentials, you should be able to see the Create Pro icon. Click on the icon to open the tool. Select a new project by clicking on New Project in the bottom right-hand corner. You will then be prompted to create a new name for the project. We will name this project Nemo V1. Then click on Create, and do not worry about the template at this stage. When we start any project, we always want to make sure that our project settings are correctly set. We will have our project settings open. We find these in each task. You will also look at the properties of the video to see the frame rate. I'm using Windows, so I will right-click on the Finding Nemo video I've saved and click on Properties and then Details. Here I can see the frame rate and the height and the width. If you're using a Mac, please follow the instructions in the module. To open your project settings, click on this icon. Under General Settings, there are different modes, namely Open and Close Captions. When you are working on a subtitling or SDH project, you would select the Open option. Alternatively, when you are working on a closed caption project, you would select the Closed Captions option. Under General Settings, you can also set other settings, such as dictionary, font, default alignment, and autosave intervals. For the duration of the course, you can leave the custom settings as they are. However, if you are working in another language, please set your language accordingly. Now that we have set our general settings, let's move over to screen settings. Here we will set the subtitle line and the line length. Our subtitle line is set at 2, which is correct, and our line length, which we also know as character limit, is set at 39. Let's look at the video settings. We know that the frame rate of our video is 23 frames, which tells us that it is NTSC, and the aspect ratio is 16.9, and the timecode format is 24 frames. The reading speed project settings deal with the characters per second. We will change our reading speed to 17 as per the project specifications. The Q setting is the final project setting and defines the in and out times of individual subtitles. Generally, the maximum duration of a full 2-line subtitle is 6 or 7 seconds. For this task, we will set our minimum duration at 1 second and our maximum duration at 7 seconds. We want to have a 2-frame minimum gap between subtitles, and we want to have 2 frames before the shot change. You will learn more about shot changes in Module 8, Shot Changes. Now that all our settings are correctly set according to our project specifications, we can now click on Apply.